Wagwan my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat, and thank you so much for joining me, everyone. And this video is an exciting one, everyone. I'm gonna ask you to just like, share, subscribe on this video. Let's get it out, people. Alright, so pretty much Mutabaruka is expressing how he feels about our current Prime Minister, Andrew Holness. People, him not feel like them do a good job. And being a part of Jamaica, I have to agree with him. Especially him kind of touch upon various topics. The whole, because there were some people the other day that were, venting how they feel about Andrew Holness and so on. That's when him did that do the one bag of lockdown and them thing there. So police got the people and he had to antagonize them and them thing there. So him touch upon that as well as other topics as well. People may go drop the video. I'm gonna drop the little voice recording in right now. And yeah, as I said, I beg everybody just like, share, and subscribe to the video. And I did alter the voice, people, because it's a part of Stepping Razor, and I don't want to have any problem with copyright infringements and so on. So please stay on, everybody, and let's get into this. Please leave some comments as well. Thank you so much.
Now tell the Prime Minister that where the brethren them say it's distasteful, but it's not a crime. It's not a crime. This distasteful, but it's not a crime. And you can't check now if you say, you have your guys them on the road. I go on like say people can't say what them say. If you come tell man say no, they must apologize in front of camera like how them did say it. When the thought and the thinking and the understanding that these youth have, no care what apology them give, it is not as forceful, as vigorous as them have vent them frustration against this Prime Minister. They must say this Prime Minister is causing a lot of pain and anger. And now we can even say even death amongst the population. So Mr. Prime Minister, now known as PC, you check it? Because I check it. And all the people check it. I don't know why you shouldn't check it, because you are the Prime Minister. There's a book named by an African named Chino Achebe, named Things Fall Apart. I can, from where I am sitting, I can clearly see that things are falling apart in Jamaica. We don't see that fall apart all over the place, but we talk about Jamaica specifically. Things is falling apart in Jamaica. And everybody is looking on this Prime Minister. And when you hear them cussing, I don't know if you hear it, Mr. Prime Minister, but I hear it. When you hear the people, them are cuss. Them not cussing nobody else but the Prime Minister. That is what them are say. Them call him, them all sort of name. Even me have a name for him. I know we have another name for him, PC. And him give himself broke God and all these things and a palaver in a Clark's booty and a green Clark's booty and all them stuff. Stepping Razor, we'll send a message to the Prime Minister. And we want to wrap it up at 3 o'clock here. We'll tell you about this book. Them Things Fall Apart by Chinua Achebe. He's a great African writer where he address certain things. And we are talking about now the distastefulness of messages that is sent directly to the Prime Minister. Not to the government, to the Prime Minister. Now, most of the time you hear people say the government this and the government that. But now, on the street, it's not the government this and the government that. It's the Prime Minister this and the Prime Minister that. Now, this one where them have, where the youth say certain disparaging things against the Prime Minister. And them carry the youth, go to the station and tell him must apologize. And when the youth start to say what them say must say, them say, no, you must say it like, oh, you did not say it on the video. No, I don't know if the Prime Minister see this video, but it needs some serious things to be done. When police now can take people off on the street and I tell them, say, they must apologize to the Prime Minister. I mean, really, you must apologize to the Prime Minister. You never threaten him. You never threaten the Prime Minister, and him is a public figure. And then now when they realize that people are ball out, like me, are ball out, and others are ball out, them say the youth is not that the youth was held for. He was held for robbery. Can you imagine that? It's ball the people them ball out, catch them, and then them let him go. Now we hear that there's a lawsuit, which I totally agree with it, against the government, against the force. Because there's no way police is not placed there to take people off the street and tell them must apologize. Then look more you go torture them. Because suppose the youth decide say him not say it. Him not apologize. What them would do? If the youth say him not apologize, them would have beat him. Them would have beat the youth. That is where it there. So I'm hearing now that the youth get a liar, and I am totally in agreement with it to get a liar with it, because this is where we're there. This is where we're there now. When we look at all over the world and we see where we're going, every day you look on TV, you see people that demonstrate. They might demonstrate against whole heap of things. From Cuba to Haiti, from France to Germany, Australia, big demonstration in Australia. In America, big demonstration. We don't reach a boiling point there yet.
Most tangible. Looking forward to this one. The crowd are up for it. Players look like they're going to have a really good go at this game.
But this government is going on like say, they want the people them to take another route. Yeah, they want the people them to take another route by what is happening. The 200 guns. The Minister of National Security, Horace Chang. I hope no more killing no go on, because him reach 800 now. 2 years ago, Horace Chang said he wanted to see the crime rate go down to 800. Can you imagine that? The Minister of National Security, I say, he wanted to see the murder rate go down to 800. 800? 800 people and enough people. Well, Mr. Horace Chang, it reached 800 now. That means when we wake up next month, no more crime, no more cigar, because you reach a thing. But it's 6 months that. 6 months gone a year, and it's 800 murder take place in Jamaica. So what are they doing for us to feel justified for saying, well, you know, them really do a good job? No good job is being done. None. Them not doing no good job.
All right, thank you, my people. Thank you for staying with me as well. And yeah, yes, I'm gonna jump off in a people, but before I jump off, please tell me how you feel about this. You agree with the Mutabaruka say towards the Prime Minister, Minister of National Security, and so on? I agree with him 100%. 100%, especially the freedom of speech topic. Freedom of speech, it does exist, people. So in our day when time, you know, the whole heap of lockdown did go on, and people did state how them feel, basically, and then police are going in your yard and I tell you if I apologize, and if you don't apologize, then fine one charge, put pan you, and we not agree with that, none at all. You understand? And Mutabaruka basically express how him feel as well, and people, as I say, can go check out the full thing. Mutabaruka have his own platform, so you can go and go check out the full Stepping Razor recording and so on. But anyway, here's a mega jump off. Thank you for joining me on Jamaican Chat. Wishing everybody a peace and loving day. Big up.